Professor V.V. Singh, Professor Sunil Kumar, Joint Executive Director Anamika Singh, all the friends from Udyog Bandhu and Lal Bahadur Shastri, Institute of Management Development Studies. I welcome you all for this inaugural session. If I have to tell you in one sentence the purpose of our being here, it is to introduce a change. Why do we need change? सब आराम से चल रहा है. Now it is a question of assessment and perception. क्या सब कुछ ठीक ठाक चल रहा है? Ask yourself this question first before you really decide this question whether you want to change or not. When we look at the scenario of Uttar Pradesh and think about a very young person who has just passed out of say management institute or IIT or any engineering college or any other technical professional institute, what kind of options he or she has? And suppose he or she wants to stay in Uttar Pradesh and do something. You may join some kind of job. But do we create enough jobs? So what happens? People from Uttar Pradesh move out to other states, maybe other countries. Why don't we create more jobs? We don't create more jobs because who creates jobs? It is the entrepreneur. It is the industry which creates jobs. We have another kind of job creation through programs like NREGA, where you dig some drainage system in the village and there is a plenty of opportunity for people to do manual labor and you get 100 rupees per day. I am sure we are not talking about that kind of jobs. We are talking about the kind of jobs which will give us a decent standard of living, intellectual satisfaction and some reward in life, some good career, so that at the end of a few years you can say look back and say that yes, I made a contribution to society and also did well for myself or for my family. So how is it that people in the other countries and other states, they are successful in creating jobs while we are not? Our youth has to go outside the state to look for jobs, to in one sense uproot themselves. I mean, there is nothing wrong in the age of globalization. It's good to go out of your hometown and maybe settle elsewhere. But then if you prefer to work in say Lucknow or Noida or some such place, do you have adequate employment opportunities? I think there is no black and white answer to it, but broadly we need to improve. How much time I have? Because that's what I was asking. Yeah?
You have 6 7 minutes.
Okay. Now, if you ask a person above the age of 30, let us try to make some change. First reaction क्या जरूरत है. Second, I know everything. And third, why make efforts? If you are comfortable in your job, these are very legitimate questions. But then, let me tell you two things. The world is changing. Yesterday in New York, in schools they introduced iPads. They decided to do away with textbooks. Now if tomorrow, maybe if after 5 years or 10 years you go to New York for a job and you are not familiar with the working of iPad, even small children will laugh at you. Technology is changing, globalization is taking roots. Sooner than later, they will come to this place called Lucknow, place called Uttar Pradesh, maybe in the area of Balia, Jaunpur, Saharanpur, Meerut or whatever. So change is imperative. If we don't change, we'll be left behind. Simple. To my mind, there is an urgency for change, and that begins with us at an individual level, then with our organization, then with our society. Nivesh Mitra is one attempt to incorporate the change in technology and to appreciate the need for creation of better employment opportunities and to give a dignity and respect to the entrepreneur who wishes to take the courage to set up an enterprise in Uttar Pradesh. To set up an enterprise, to set up an industry in Uttar Pradesh is now a matter of courage with all kinds of obstacles. But I think it is our job to make it simplified, to make it hassle-free, to make it welcoming. If I want to set up my own enterprise, I should be encouraged. I should be supported by the state. I should be supported by the society. And Nivesh Mitra is a step in that direction. The purpose of organizing these training sessions with the help of LBS is twofold. It is an exercise in internal communication. We have developed the draft of a vision for Nivesh Mitra, and I want each individual employee of Udyog Bandhu from class 4 upwards, to know what vision of Nivesh Mitra is and what it means to us. We should discuss it internally and then communicate it outside. And second is, of course, which is an attitude to information technology, which is an attitude to entrepreneurs. That also goes side by side. I'll take 5 more minutes to share with you the vision of Uttar Pradesh Nivesh Mitra. Now, what is Nivesh Mitra? Basically, it is a kind of website designed by Udyog Bandhu and National Informatics Centers, right now under the process of revamp, but still functioning in a way. It is an interface between an entrepreneur and the state agencies. See, there are rules and regulations of different departments, maybe of environment, maybe of power corporation. You need an electricity connection, you have to go to the power corporation. You need environmental clearance, you have to go to State Pollution Control Board, and so on and so forth. There are about 11-12 departments. So what we want is a kind of web interface whereby you sit at your home, you fill up a form online, and this online form goes to the concerned officer, and that officer of that department raises queries, if any, online, and finally you get an online clearance of that particular department for the enterprise that you propose to set up. Contrast it with what happens today. First of all, you don't know what are the forms. You don't know what are the clearances required. Somewhere by bits and pieces you come to acquire that knowledge. Go to that individual office by finding out the address, which may not be available because websites are awfully incomplete. Telephone numbers are not there on the website, notwithstanding Right to Information Act. You go there, you may not find the person concerned. The person may not be willing to guide you properly, and then after a lot of efforts you get a form. You fill that form up, attach some draft or something to it, give it to that. The person says you come after 5 days. Go after 5 days, the person may not be available on your seat, and so on and so forth. And it is an exercise of a nightmarish kind. And this is for one department, and if you have to go to 12 departments, you can understand what kind of energy, what kind of effort it needs for you to get all the clearances. And this is, after this, you set up your enterprise and you have all those business risks which an enterprise will involve. So what I mean is that an entrepreneur needs a support, a kind of some comfort in the mind that look, somebody is with me. The entrepreneur should not feel alone. He or she should feel that the state apparatus is him or her to enable him or her to create jobs. Let us not make it so tedious that the person says कि अपना काम कभी नहीं करना, I'll go and get a job, I'll work under somebody else. So that is the kind of approach which Nivesh Mitra has a vision. I'll read out to you what we have developed. It is draft. Every employee is free to give suggestion on this so that it can be further improved. Vision of Nivesh Mitra is to be a seamless and user-friendly interface for the existing as well as prospective investors and entrepreneurs by providing a uniform, transparent and time-bound online platform. The partnership between the government of UP and investors is to be strengthened by providing the relevant information. Information is not there. So we intend to provide all relevant information on the website and supporting the entrepreneurs in obtaining all the required clearances and approvals, and also redressing grievances and concerns with the support of all the departments, district officials, industrial associations, and thus resulting in the transformation of the state into the most sought after industrial hub across the globe. I'll give you a very small example. We have a website of Udyogpati. It has been there for many years. I asked Pankaj Arora, who is in charge of this, what is the kind of hits that we get. So he was not sure, and he said we have 200 per week or something like that. I said let us make a target of having 10,000 hits per week. Just a very modest target. So we did certain things. We made certain links and whatever is needed to make a website more visible. And yesterday's, I'll call it a small achievement, was 2,000 hits per week. From 200 to 2,000 per week in a span of 2 months. I think it's a very, very small thing, but it shows that if you are really serious in doing something, the results can be forthcoming. Last but not the least, I have had the privilege of identifying change agents in different organizations. I know in all organizations there are cynics, there are people who say this सब बेकार है, कुछ नहीं होने वाला, उत्तर प्रदेश is उल्टा प्रदेश, this that. I know those are the biggest obstacles for change. Such people who simply unwelcome a change and are the worst critics. I only wish and pray to them and pray to God that they should give their best contribution by simply watching it. They don't have to contribute. Then those who are reasonably positive minded, it is an exciting journey to be part of a change what vision we envisage is that any person from anywhere in Uttar Pradesh, if he or she wants to set up an enterprise, he or she should find an ally in Udyog Bandhu and Nivesh Bandhu. That is my vision, that is our vision, and that is the vision of the entire state. Thank you so much.